A very lovely good morning to all my dear students. I am very happy that you all are doing good job at home, and I want to appreciate the students those are completing their work on time, whether it is activity or any written work that is given by me. Most of the time we are talking about our safety. So here you can see the whole earth is wearing a mask, and with the help of mask, with using hand sanitizers, we can kill coronavirus. So we should be safe, we should keep our safety, we should wear face mask, and if we are going to the crowded area, we should maintain social distancing. So today we are going to start our chapter number 12, that is people who help us. Dear students, can we do all the work on our own? It is not possible, because in our daily lives there are so many work. For that we need different people, and so many people are there, they help us in our many works, and these people are known with their different names, and we are very lucky that we have these different people in our lives, so that we can complete our work on time, we can do our work easily with the help of these persons. And whatever the work or whatever the job that is done by a person to earn money, to earn living, that is known as an occupation or as an profession. So profession is the work that a person does, and in return he get money. All the work are same, we never say this work is small, so we should not do that. We need many things in our daily life, and it is not possible for us to do everything ourselves. So we need helpers to make our life easy and comfortable. These helpers are, first is farmer. A farmer grows grain, vegetables and fruits for us. Doctor. A doctor treats us when we are sick, and he gives medicines to cure us, to help us. Nurse. The nurse takes care of the sick people in a hospital or at home. Chemist. The chemist sells medicines. Policeman. The policeman catches thieves and those who break the law. Grocer. The grocer sells food items and other similar things that we use in the house, like grains. Postman. The postman brings letters and parcels to our doorstep. Tailor. A tailor stitches clothes for us. Mason. A mason builds the walls of new houses and also repairs the old one also. An electrician. An electrician installs or repairs the electrical fittings and appliances in our homes or offices. Blacksmith. The blacksmith makes all the things from iron, like axes, knives, frames of doors and windows, as well as latches and locks. Potter. The potter makes earthen pots, flower pots and earthen lamps out of clay. Diyas. Carpenter. The carpenter makes tables, chairs, cupboards or any other furniture from wood. He also makes doors and windows for our house. Weaver. The weaver weaves cloth on looms. He works either on a hand loom or on a power loom. Cobbler. The cobbler makes new chappals, sandals, and shoes. He also mends old and torn shoes and sandals. Barber. The barber cuts the hair of men and boys at the salon. Basket maker. The basket maker weaves mats, baskets, and sifting pans out of bamboo strips. Goldsmith. The goldsmith makes ornament out of gold and silver. Teacher. The teacher teaches us in school. She or he gives good education to all the children for their betterment, for their good life. Greengrocer is the person who sells vegetables, fresh vegetables. And a fruit seller is the person who sells fruits. Porter or a coolie. Coolie is the person who carries people's luggage at the railway station or bus stand. Washerman, or we can say dhobhi. The washerman washes and irons our clothes. Watchman. The watchman keeps an eye at the door and he guards our houses, buildings by preventing thieves entering it. We should remember that there are many helpers around us and they do different kinds of work to help us. We make use of all the different kinds of services they offer. This makes our life easy and comfortable.